Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving Snapchat permission to read your phone contacts so it can match names to accounts. First, open your profile and confirm the mobile number on file. This improves matching accuracy. Once done, enable Contacts Sync or Find Friends, grant the permission prompt, and let the app upload your address book. This is the foundational step. Without synced contacts, Snapchat cannot reliably show your existing friends. Make sure your phone's contact list contains the phone numbers they use on Snapchat. Once contacts are synced, go to Find Friends or Quick Add and scan the suggested list for matches from your address book. You should review each suggested profile. Tap Add for clear matches and skip entries that look wrong to avoid accidental ads. If someone isn't listed, double-check their number in your phone and correct it, then refresh Contacts Sync. This forces Snapchat to reprocess and often reveals newly matched accounts. Make sure to also check for duplicate contacts that might cause missed matches. To finish, confirm that your friend requests were sent and watch for accepted connections in chat or stories. If someone still doesn't appear, remember the why. Snapchat only matches exact phone numbers, so they must have registered the same number with their account. If results are incorrect, revoke and regrant contacts permission in your phone settings, then resync. This clears stale data. Finally, consider asking friends for their exact Snapchat username if phone matching fails. Then add by username as a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.